The Kingdom of English Grammar, a tale of the parts of speech. Once upon a time in the grand kingdom of English grammar, there lived 8 important citizens known as the parts of speech. Each had a unique role in making the kingdom function smoothly, ensuring that all sentences made sense. The heart of the kingdom was Noun, the noble ruler. Noun represented all the people, places, and things in the land. Whether it was a castle, a dragon, or a brave knight, Noun made sure they all had a name. Noun's loyal companion was Pronoun, a clever helper who replaced Noun when needed. Instead of repeating the knight over and over, Pronoun could say he and make the story flow effortlessly. Next, there was Verb, the action hero of the kingdom. Verb brought everything to life, making the knight fight, the dragon roar, and the villagers cheer. Without Verb, the kingdom would be still and lifeless. Alongside Verb was Adverb, the magician of the land. Adverb described how actions happened, making the knight fight bravely, the dragon roar loudly, and the villagers cheer happily. With Adverb's touch, everything became more vivid. Then came Adjective, the kingdom's artist. Adjective painted pictures with words, describing the grand castle, the fierce dragon, and the courageous knight. Thanks to Adjective, the world was not just a land but a beautiful, dangerous, and exciting place. Walking gracefully through the kingdom was Preposition, the guide. Preposition showed where things were and how they were connected. The knight rode through the village, the dragon flew over the mountains, and the treasure was hidden inside the cave. Nearby, Conjunction, the bridge builder, connected words and ideas. Conjunction made sure the kingdom's stories flowed smoothly. The knight was brave and strong. He wanted to fight the dragon but needed a plan. Finally, there was Interjection, the lively jester. With a loud wow or a sudden ouch, Interjection added excitement and emotion to the kingdom's conversations. Together, these 8 citizens worked in harmony to create the most wonderful tales in the kingdom of English grammar. And so, every time you read or write a sentence, remember that these parts of speech are working behind the scenes, making sure your words come to life. The end.